Welcome back to Ultimate Skills Empire. Today we are discussing how to create 3D animation with your smartphone. How to create 3D animation with your smartphone. It's very simple and easy. We are needing an application called the Plotagon Story. Alright, right in the description of this video I have pasted the link of the premium version of this application. You can go ahead and download the application and watch the video on how to extract the application from the zip folder so you can have full access of the application. But if you don't want to use the one I sent on this video, you can go on Play Store and download Protagon Story, or on Google, any one of your choice. All right, so let's now launch the application. You launch the application, it will load as it is doing right now. All right, so it does not require internet connection. If you have internet connection, it will be faster. If you don't have internet connection, it will still go. All right, so it's not an internet connection dependent, so it works both in and offline. All right, so it has finished loading right now. So this is the home page. It gives us blank space because we are not using internet connection. If we are connected to internet, this blank space should give us some pictures. Right, to get started on our animation, we'll have to click on this button right here where I must we'll click on that, and this page will show up. All right, these are the ones I created and the ones that the system has given as a tutorial. So what do we do next? We click on this create new plot. We click on that create new plot. All right, so we have done with creating characters. So if you did not watch that video on creating characters, go ahead and watch the video on creating characters in the channel. You will see the video on how to create your own 3D character that you can use for your 3D animation. All right, go ahead and watch it if you did not watch it. And the next thing we are going to be doing here is that we want to select scene. Select our scene. See, our scene should be here. Sorry for that. So sorry for that, please. Then our scene, we want to select our scene. The scene is somewhere here. We click on that icon. All right, so it pops up like this. You click on scene. All right, click on scene at the top, right? Then you will see different type of scene. Because I'm using the premium version of this application, this is why I'm seeing all of these kind of scenes. If you're using the basic version, you will not see all of these scenes. All right, so you let us use let us use a cafe as our scene. All right, so click on cafe. All right, if you're using internet connection, all of the pictures will be showing, but because we are not using internet connection, that is why we are just seeing it blank there. This is the cafe we are using. So what we do next, we are going to select, you see cafe at the mark here. Sorry for that, please. Sorry please for the interruption, please. All right, this we have a cafe. Look at, there is in the bracket we have without, sorry for this interruption, we have without extra. This means that the cafe will have nobody else in the cafe except the characters you place in there. But then we want to make our video more professional. We will add extra people. We'll click on that without extra, and we will edit it to add extra people on the cafe. Right, you click on that without extra, and you say with extras. All right, with extras. All right, so we want to go with extra. All right, look at them. Look at those guys, people on the cafe. They are the extras we are working out. You see another one, the next from that with extras, you see non-attentive. This means that these people are not attentive in what you are saying. They are on their own discussing their own separate issue, right? So if you want them to be attentive to what you are discussing, you click on that non-attentive and you click attentive. But we don't want it to be attentive. You don't want them to be attentive on what we are discussing, so it is okay to leave it as non-attentive. It's your choice. Then the next one here is that we will have to select our characters. You click on character, then you choose the ones. These are the ones I created on the video, so let me use it. I'll click on that and it will show. It will be on the character on the cafe. Yeah, you see the next one there uh is to the left at the counter. That is the position of the character. So let us check. If you want him to be like this, you can leave it, but we want to let it we want two people to interact in a chair, so we'll change the position of the character. We'll click at that place and let me say table left. So at this click on that, it will sit that character down to a table and at the left side of the table. All right, so that is how you add that. You see him, he's sitting down at the table. So we want to add another character. We click on character again down there. We'll add another character. Let us add this lady. Then we'll also choose where she is sitting. You can as well change the her proposition in the cafe. Let me use, because the other one is sitting as at the left, then this should sit at the right, so that they will be around a table discussing, right? So let us wait for this to load, because I'm using no internet. That is why it is taking a bit time. So you see them, the two of them are seated already. So below here is the camera positioning, right? Or let us leave that for now. We'll do a video for that separately. So now we have successfully added two characters on the cafe. Now what this is their conversation. You want them to speak, right? You click on this place, the next icon at the top. You click on that. Now when we click on that icon, it brings another option down here. You see the character. After you select the person that you want to speak first. Let me say that this innocent is speaking first. All right, so he will speak first, and you can use your voice note to type what the person will say. Right here, you can use your voice note to speak what the person wants to say, or you can type what the person wants to speak right here. All right, so that is what we'll do now. Let us type something here. All right, so I typed something like this: hello Gina. So that is what this guy will say. All right, so watch out here. Something is here also. That is what we call character gesture. This here is called character gesture. Right now it is neutral, which means the guy is normal, not laughing, not angry, just neutral. If we want to change it to something else, we can click on that neutral, and you see these are the gestures you can use. All right, let us say wave, hello. Let us look for something that maybe he's waving, right? Hello, right? So this is we now put the gesture to be waving, right? So the next one we will add. If we want to add another, we want this lady to speak, to respond to what he is saying. You click on still the same place, the same button you clicked before. You see, go back there and click on that icon, this icon here. You see, go back to it and click it. That is where you are doing all your conversation until you finish your animation. You click on that again, and another state will come up here. you choose a character. You can still choose innocent, or you can still choose the genre, the next character to respond, right? You can still record what she will respond right at the audio record, or you can type in what she will say right here. Let me say, let me respond with typing. All right, so you see, this is the response the lady said. So this is how you add the test. All right, you can see add more text by clicking on see the test, the conversation, and you continue like this, and you making your animation perfect. All right, that is how I do it. And remember, when we are doing this, you need to punctuate well, so that it can, if you are using test to showcase the the what the character will speak, you need to punctuate well, so that the computer will understand and speak it the way you want it to be. All right. Right, you see, this is what they have discussed so far. So let us play it and see how. For you to play it from the beginning, you come back to this, you click on at the beginning button, and you click on the play button right down here.
Hello, Gina. Yes. How are you? I'm fine, thank you.
Right, you see how it looks. That is how it is very, very awesome. All right, so you can see add more. Let us add more so that it will look so beautiful. All right, don't be offended. Let us add more character so you get it. Innocent will speak right now. All right, you see what the man was asking him, huh? All right, so let us not go far in this test. So this is how you will be using the test and changing everything to suit your desire. Very simple as that. Now the next icon here is this a icon. Let us check out what it is, so you see how to use them before we post this video. All right, you see this icon right here. You click on that. So this is what they call test plate. How to you can add a test plate. What is a test plate? That thing that those feature that displays this is going to display as a blank space. Nobody is inside there. So let me just do example so you get it. Let me say as at this place I add a test plate. All right, see test plate right here. So I can say you get on. You see, I can say something like this. Look at the position of the test plate center. You can change it to somewhere else. You can change the center to somewhere else you want. You see it here after an hour. So it's a blank space that displays just what you type. All right, so you can change the voice. You can select who will speak, whether it's to silent or someone else. Let us say that someone spoke. You get that? So I now put Android mail. We are speaking. So let us play it so far, and we'll end the video for today. Then we'll start again tomorrow. All right, let us not rush this class. Let us do it bit by bit, so you get to understand everything that we are going to be doing. All right, let's play it.
Hello, Gina. Yes. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Do you know you can make money online with creating 3D animation movies? After an hour.
You get that? So this is, I just did this not because I just used this as a tutorial. You can practice on this particular one we did and create a very nice video, nice 3D image and video that you can use to what advertise your business companies and create comedies. All right, so you can choose a different scenes of your choice. I use this cafe just for tutorial purposes. All right, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit on the bell button to get notified once we upload new videos to this channel. All right, we will be bringing to you other classes by tomorrow. We'll continue from here tomorrow. All right, so goodbye. Thank you so much for watching. Stay with us. God bless you.